Hello everyone. In this video, we have solved a nice maths Olympiad question. It is exponential equation, which is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 30. We'll find out what is the value of x in this exponential maths Olympiad question. So solution. Our question, it will be 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 30. This is our question. Now at this moment you can see this 8, it will be 2 to the power 3 bracket, power is this x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 30. Now at this moment we know that the exponential law, a to the power n and whole to the power m, it will be a to the power m and whole to the power n. I just change this exponent inside the bracket. Now at this moment you can see this exponent here, 2 to the power x bracket, power is 3 plus 2 to the power x is equal to 30. Now at this moment here is 2 to the power x and this is 2 to the power x, both are same. So at this moment let 2 to the power x, it will be y. So we will add 2 to the power x, it will be y. So at this point you can see that it will be y to the power 3 plus y is equal to 30. We'll find out a nice cubic equation. Here is y to the power 3 plus y is equal to 30. Now at this moment you can see this expression, it will be y to the power 3 plus y, and here is minus 30 is equal to 0. I just move on this 30 in this side, it will be negative 30. Now at this moment you can see here y to the power 3 plus y, and this minus 30, it will be minus 27 and minus 3 is equal to 0. You know that minus 27 and minus 3, it will be minus 30. Now at this moment you can see here y to the power 3 and minus 27 plus y, and here is minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here y to the power 3 minus 27, it will be 3 to the power 3. You know that 3 to the power 3, it will be 27 times, plus bracket, here is 1 is common, so it will be y minus 3 is equal to 0. Then you know that a cube minus v cube. So you know that a cube minus v cube, this formula, it will be a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. If I apply this formula here, I can see this expression, it will be y minus 3 times a square, it will be y square plus ab, 3 times y, it will be 3y plus 3 square, it will be 9, and here is y minus 1, 3 is equal to 0. Here is 1 is common. Now at this moment you can see here is y minus 3, this is y minus 3. So here is y minus 3 is common. So if I take here is y minus 3 is common, so you can see this divide this, it will be y square plus 3y plus 9, and this divide this, it will be positive 1 is equal to 0. Then we'll find out here is 2 case y minus 3 times, and here is y square plus 3y, 9 plus 1, it will be 10 is equal to 0. Now we'll find out here is 3 solutions, 3 roots. I can see here y minus 3 is equal to 0, and here y square plus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now you can see here y is equal to 3. Recall or remember that we are let first of all y is equal to 2 to the power x. So I can say it will be 2 to the power x is equal to 3. Then if I use both side natural log, so log 2 to the power x is equal to log 3. Then you can see according to exponential law, this exponent, I mean this x move on in front, so it will be x log 2 is equal to log 3. Then if I divide both sides by log 2, I can see this expression, it will be x is equal to log 3 over log 2. then it will be log 3 base 2. This is the value of x in this maths Olympiad question. This is the value of x. It will be log 3 base 2. But here y is equal to what? I think it is complex solution. It is a complex number. Here is this root, so I can say that here is a is equal to 1, b is equal to, it will be 3, and c is equal to 10. Then here y, it will be minus b plus minus square root v square minus 4ac over 2a. Then you can see that here y, it will be minus b is 3 plus minus square root v square, 3 square minus 4 ac, a is 1, c is 10 over 2a, a is 1. Now here y, it will be 3 minus 3 plus minus square root, here 4 times 10, it will be 40 minus 9, it will be minus 31 over 2 times 1, it will be 2. So we'll find out here is complex solution. Because of that square root minus 31, it will be square root 31i. So no real solution, no real solution. We need real solution. It is a complex number. So here we will find out our real solution. X is equal to log 3 base 2. Let's check out our question. It will be 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 30. This is our question. Now at this moment you can see easily this 8, it will be 2 to the power 3. X plus 2 to the power x is equal to 30. 2 to the power 3, it will be 8. 3 times x, it will be 3x. Now you can see easily here 2 to the power 3 and x, it will be log 3 base 2. Here x is equal to log 3 base 2 plus 2 to the power log 3 base 2 is equal to 30. Now at this moment you can see easily 2 to the power log 3 base 2, this 3 move on here, plus 2 log 3 base 2 is equal to 30. Now at this moment you can see easily here, according to logarithm rules, it will be 3 to the power 3 and it will be 3 is equal to 30. Now you can see easily here 27 plus 3, it will be 30 is equal to 30. So left hand side and right hand side is equal. So our final answer, x is equal to log 3 base 2. This is the value of x in this exponential maths Olympiad question.